Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at the item shop. So this is the new item shop. We do have 10 hours for it. There's quite a few things right here. So there's always that extra cheese that people like. Plus, if we go right here, we can finally see X-Force up again. So yes, X-Force is up for you guys to buy right now before the new season comes out. So all the favorite skins are coming out. So we can check them out right here. Plus Scooting, which is one of my favorite emotes. That one's available as well. So you guys can check these guys out right now. There is, like I mentioned, X-Force, so we can take a look at quite a few things from X-Force. Or you guys could just buy individual ones right here. Now this one right here is not my ultimate favorite, but there's quite a few people that like it. Same goes with this skin right here. Now this one's kind of like the one that I have right now. It's very similar. Now again, if we go into X-Force, we can see all the package that this has. So there's quite a few things. So this might be worth it if you're a real fan. And of course, if we go back into featured, we can see quite a few other skins available at this point. Anyways, that would be it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys the new item shop. Hopefully you guys like the stuff from here. And don't forget, you still have time to sign up for the giveaway. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.